I have a question, sir. Or just like to know that for a college student,
Hmm.
preparing a pitch deck requires more data, market data.
Correct.
How is it possible to get this much data for a college student? Is there any simple easy technique or something like that?
So the data which have he can put down, because there's no other option like where he can get some market data or something. It's a mix of online and offline works, because investor need to see some projections, right? So or else why he will invest in the company? if if it's a simple pitch deck which I have given in this, like consider this point and make very simple, how much money and why you're looking, and you need to approach investors who will put money on initial traction, early stage investment, maximum early angel, in my case angel investment. So I put down very simple data like what is this product, because I don't have any statistics numbers, right? Because these people which have shown like other, they have already scaled a couple of rounds, and they're looking for new rounds, bigger rounds like $250 million and $100 million. But when it comes to our side, so I put down very simple like what exactly I have and how much I have achieved, and this is the stage. If you can give me the money and I'm going to scale in this way. So that's only the simple way to crack down that funding round. Angel, mostly angels will come around in your circle only, so they will not look so much. So in my case, how much you want to raise, like 25-30,000 USD initially to build up. Then you tell this number in the next pitch deck, like I got this, now I'm looking for $1 million, 350K. That's how that start, like pre seed from angel, seed, pre-seed, pre-series, then series A, series B, series C, series D, and a lot of it will go. So based on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Then we have got a question in the chat box.
Mhm.
Uh, just curious, how much did the Dubai investor invest in Amplify? It's something
That
personal.
that is like a bit confidential at this moment. It's like good money, and we are going to give him exit too, and we want to make a bootstrap now, because Amplify is having enough uh, revenue now. We
Now the
want to.
session.
Mhm.
Okay, so now the session is open for questions from audience, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody interested to ask question, please ask you directly.
Hey Alvin, like you want to go for crypto. It's a personal choice. Okay, go around and do your best. I believe, Mr. Alvin Johnson, Cheruvathu, something. So if you believe like crypto is good, you opt it. But for me, it's highly volatile market at this moment, because I have seen many people who loses their money. So it's a jump.
Sir, true. I totally agree with you. But the thing is that with crypto, the phase is pretty very fast, right?
Mm.
The technology is very it is very innovative, and it is like changing day by day. Okay, so there are many people investing in it and like cashing it out. So there would be ups and downs, right? There is never there is a
So
market which
did
is
you
going
invest
straight
any
up, right?
Alvin? Like,
Yeah.
correct,
Yes,
Alvin.
sir.
You have you invested in crypto before? Like
Yeah, yeah, I have
in which
since 2020.
how much?
Yeah,
I mean, so in which section you, in which platform you have invested? Like
no, I
Dogecoin.
don't go through exchanges. I go through like proper. There is decentralization, right? So through
No, no.
decentralization, you
I'm
don't
asking
go
for.
through any exchanges. Yeah,
All right. So okay. So have you been in the
first,
profit
yeah,
state, or else like still you are expecting profit out of it?
I'm totally in profit right now.
All right.
Now there is a community, right? So there
Mm-hmm.
are around 100 people. We pool and fund certain projects.
Mm-hmm.
Like last month, we got partnered with this Games Capital. It's a VC. So yeah, it's going pretty good. And I would love to people to understand that it is not some scam and things like that. There are pretty good projects coming up, and there are
Mm-hmm.
people recognizing it. And look, Google Ventures, people like that never do dumb stuff, right? When they know, they do their research and they do, right? But in India, people are not recognizing it as compared to the other
Yes.
countries. Yeah.
Why in people in India is fearing? Suppose a lot of bank scams happen on a regular basis, correct? So once they come around, like it's not 100% legal. So many people in India don't put their money in that stuff. They start putting on real estate. They start putting on the low means stock exchange market. That's all. So it should be declared from the government of India. It's 100% legal. Then you see like the boom in the market too. But their point is valid too. You put your money, you earn money. There are many people which I know who have lost their money too. So I'll not say their names and how much they have lost around, but they have lost a big money, like we can consider a lot of money. So 40 lakhs, 30 lakhs. So
True,
depends
true,
on
true.
depends
Yeah.
on you. You are the luckiest people in the stock market. All people are profitable, not right. So
Yeah, I've been in stock also. I'm
no,
not
I'm
telling
telling
that
like
stock
I'm
is
not telling.
false, but if
I'm
you
not telling.
compare it, yeah, yeah.
I'm telling like nothing is fixed in this market, right? So
True,
both are
true, true.
volatile.
You need
Both
to
are
do
volatile.
your own research. You need to
Research.
be
You need to be
specialized
confident
in it. You
before.
cannot, yeah, you cannot close your eyes and like sit there and wait your money to go up.
You are
Like,
lucky enough you got that profit. There are many people who are in losses even both in stock market as well as in crypto market. So it's a volatile completely. So I'll, according to me, giving suggestion on something which I am not keen into, so I'll not give my point of view, because if I give, somebody will take, and they without research, and they will go around and put some money. They'll tell like, hey, this guy has referred, so I just don't want to
true
go
thing,
into that.
as I mentioned, you can listen to anyone. You should listen to everyone, but before investing, you need to do your own research, right? You need to like do proper analysis according to risk appetite. You should take things, right?
It's an
Do
individual
not
stuff,
listen to
so I
anyone. Yeah,
cannot
individual. Yeah,
an
yeah,
individual
sure.
stuff, and let them wish
Alvin
them our best
Johnson,
luck. Best luck from
Alvin
my side.
Johnson, may I know where you are from? Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Alvin. I'm from Tirumbari, Alfonso College.
Okay, right.
All right, so it's fine, Dr. Ahmed, it's fine. So I hope like, okay, let's move ahead with any other questions. Alvin, like, do you understand what exactly the pitching deck like? Do you have any
Yeah, yeah,
queries
I
on that?
understand.
I
Yeah,
hope
I
like
understood what is the
I
pitch
hope
deck.
I have given equal
I
justice.
have, yeah, yeah, you clearly told everything. It was pretty clear. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Welcome. Thank you so much. And sir, like anybody is there who can ask me any questions. Somebody asked me like what is good and bad like stock and crypto, and I think Mr. Alvin will be a good option because I'm not a stock trader here who do trading on a regular basis. So you can approach Alvin. He can give. He is having some community. He's saying so he might give, but at the last, people need to be their own individual responsibility for this kind of stock and crypto market, because be careful guys. So I have lost money, so I'm just saying I don't want to put myself like how much I
So,
use.
so just curious, in which did you like invest?
No, stock
Crypto?
only, stock, not in crypto.
Stock. Okay, all right, all
For me, according to that, both the markets are volatile. So let's keep that confidential stuff with myself only. Okay.
right.
Anyways, with due respect, sir, any other queries that people do have?
I think no questions from the audience. Any questions? Okay. Uh, Muzaffar sir?
Yes.
Okay, we can go to the last part of the session. Sir, Muzaffar sir, you have explained the legal form of companies in simple words and easy to understand. You okay?
Hello, sir.
Somebody
Can,
else raising. Yes, you can
I
ask.
have got a question.
Yes, you can ask.
So you said you got an idea, and from Dubai you got an investor, and they invested in your idea and your company. So we just wanted to know that if we have an idea to about a product and we want to bring to the market, how we would find these investors? Where should we go, and how we will contact them? We are just
Okay.
a college students and with some ideas. So can you please say the base? Everybody saying the medium and the high levels. So we just want to know the base, where to start and where to begin.
Okay. So do you have any family members in the family like who is financially sound?
Yeah, my cousins are everyone, mostly everyone are financially sound.
Correct. So please pitch to them initially. If family members will reject your idea, then go to individual investors by creating your own network. Okay. Network means you go to some many you can say meetings and all where you can exchange your card. That's how I did it. I didn't create like somebody referred me very hard. That guy whom I raised that money for the first round, he came to India for building this product. That same blockchain, sir, means crypto product. We totally denied it's not suitable for Indian market. Then he put down the money for hearing our what exactly we do, and he sees like there is a scope, and now he's taking an exit with huge money with us, maybe in a couple of $1 million you can consider, I can say. So that's what I'm trying to say. Getting a base level investors is all about sometimes 2% luck, 98% with your network. And I believe because this investor, I don't know personally to them. He came to India through some local references. They got my number and they connected with me in WhatsApp, and they said like I'm coming down to India to discuss about my product. We never know like he's going to put his money on our startup. We feel like a client initially, then he finally turned up to an investor in our company. Now he's taking an exit. So that's how I got my investor. But getting a ground level investor is all about your networking. आपका नाम मैंने भूल गया, but it's all about networking.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir,
Okay.
no questions.
Okay, okay, we can move forward. Okay, then Muzaffar sir, the way you have explained preparing the pitch deck and the legal forms of companies are very easy to understand. You have cleared the doubts on direct marketing business by showing the pitfalls of the direct marketing and crypto. I've not prepared personally. I have not prepared a pitch deck before, and it is new to me. And I think the same to the participants also. You have shown some pitch decks and very excited to see the $1 billion business pitch decks. Thank you, sir. On behalf of my institute, PSMO College, Price, and IIC, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Muzaffar Hussain, founders and CEO of Aprify Labs, Aprify, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. I thank all the participants and uh, ca- can we, okay, Muzawar sir, can we end the session
Sure,
here?
sure, sir.
Okay,
Sure. And
here,
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak with these people and your side team. It's lovely to have them hear some kind of feedback too. So, Alvin, you can connect with me in one to one. So let's see. Let's have a very healthy discussion on this crypto side too. If you can connect me in LinkedIn, then it's well and good. Or else I'll connect with some experts who are there in blockchain side, uh, means crypto side. You can say they can give you like. Much more mastery like they have done so far, which according to me. And thanks other guys like who have asked me the queries, and I'm able to stand out with some expectations. Pervez Ahmed, Muhammad Isami, Anishka is like okay. So thank you so much guys. Like
thank you, sir. We also expect your support in future events, sir.
all right, it's my pleasure, sir. It's my pleasure. Always there with you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much. Can I leave it? Can I leave
Yes,
the
yeah.
stage?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
The dear participants, please fill in the attendance form. And if you have not joined in the WhatsApp group, please join in the WhatsApp group. We can also intimate you the coming programs. We also expecting your feedbacks so we can improve our programs.
So how should we mark our attendance?
Here is the attendance link. You can fill it. And if you like to join in our coming programs, you can join in our WhatsApp group.